So I'm going to share with you today Azariah's monthly supplies for his G-tube. I will just share it with you. I kind of feel like there's a little bit extra, and I'm not entirely sure why as of yet, but I want you to see what he has. But it doesn't, it kind of feels like extra, but it kind of doesn't. It feels like extra. Normally I get a bunch of cases of Kate Farms, which is more than this. But I have Nourish now, and Nourish has packets, so it's less dense space. So let's just open these up and see what's in them. So it's been a really weird month because technically we're supposed to be switching companies from one. So originally we were supposed to be switching companies. I talked to them last month and they were switching companies. And the reason that we were going to switch companies is because the G-tube extensions that he's supposed to have, if you've been around a while, you know this. This one company could not get, but then when we were getting his equipment, as in like the stander, they said, oh, we do G-tube supplies as well. You might want to contact, like, you might want to like reach out. I'll have somebody reach out if you're interested in it to see if they can get the supplies that you need, and they would actually cover the extensions the right way. So they did. So that was last month. I had just received an order last month and they said, okay, let's do this for next month. So I called them because I was changing our address as well. And they had I had called them. So I have these. I don't know how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 per box. So I had called them and they said, okay, what are we doing? We'll change your address, or we've been waiting for whatever approval. In the meantime, as you guys know, we were changing Azariah's formula from Kate Farms over to this Nourish. So, and we also needed dual cal because we're going to run out of all of this. We just got a sample to try out the sample. And so they put it in to get those things. And so I don't even know. I called back again. I said, do you know when this is going to be from the new company? Do you know when this is going to be set out? And they said, well, we still haven't got whatever approvals and yada, yada, yada. So I'm like, okay. So then I tried to message my nutritionist, but she's actually on vacation. So let's see. This is formula. It says 6 formula feeding peptide organ C-tube bag set enteral connector. I don't know. I guess I'll leave these. Anyway. This is weird. So I don't even know what is going on with this order. It's odd. Anyway, I have 3 bags in here, which is weird because I usually just get a long G-tube bag of these. So I get 30 of these a month. So anyway, it ended up, the old company was like, okay, they are the ones who had the order for it from the nutritionist, for the Nourish, from the nutritionist. So they're like, we can just send this out. I said, okay, that's fine. I guess we'll just switch over next month, especially where we're going to be on vacation. I need his feeds. And I didn't even have enough Nourish to make it through to the weekend because this was Friday. And I'm like, oh, great. Now I'm going to have to go back to Kate Farms for a couple days. It's going to be hard on his stomach. So they said, okay, we can like overnight this, and this will be the next day. At next day air, they would do 1 box next day air, and then the rest would be straight, and we'd get that on Monday. Well, we got it all. It's actually Saturday. We got it all Saturday, which I'm actually really thankful for because then I could just bring it over to the new house. So here's 6 more of the Nourishes. Yeah, and I left one of these boxes at the other house because we started to make him feeds. So, yeah, I'm not entirely sure what's going on with all of that, if I'm to be completely honest with you. This right here is actually going to be a whole thing of feral bags, which is good because the new company doesn't cover feral bags. He doesn't use them as often as he needs to, more like if he just needs them. He used to always have to have this daily. I might end up actually trying these with the new feed and see maybe if this helps. I don't know. Anyway, I have some of these now, so that will be good. Trying to find space. All right. I know from the shape of this that and if you medical mamas know what this is all bags. All these. So there's usually 30 in here. So I don't know why I got 3 extras, but they must have just like wanted to give me spares this month or something. I don't know. So anyway, I'm thankful. I'm gonna leave this all attached like this because it'll just be easier. I'll open it as I need it rather than trying to open it now. Let's see what else we got in here. This is really weird. This whole box says split sponges. I'm gonna open this. Normally I get 2 little boxes of split sponges a month, and we're running low, honestly. And my daughter said, we really need some split sponges. I think we're on like the last little bit of them. And I was like, oh, I think I have another one. It's a whole case, guys. It's a whole case. I think somebody must have put the order in wrong. I don't know, but hooray, hurrah. The Lord blessed us with that. Look at all that. Woo! We will be stocked up for a while. Usually you get 2 of these a month. And I think there's 30 in each pack, which is great because honestly, we usually, because of the way he is, we usually actually have to change it in the morning and night, so we use all of them with like no backup. So yeah, wow. I need to find the orders to see if this was actually ordered or not. I don't know. That looks like it might have been a little bit of a mistake. But thankful for it anyway. Oh my goodness, you know what somebody did? They literally sent, instead of 2 packages, they sent 2 cases full of it. Okay, well, insurance must have covered it because insurance always does whatever. So they sent, so let's see, it's 35 packs per box, 20 boxes per case. We'll be stocked up for a while. Yes, indeed we will. But it'll be good. Because sometimes that if it's like oozy and stuff, I'll kind of like do it both ways. So that will be good. And you know, it's pretty much just gauze anyway. So if we ever got an overabundance of things, we could use it like gauze. Okay. Wow, that was surprising. That's why it looks so big. I was like, I don't know. I feel like I get a bunch of smaller boxes. Oh my goodness. I better keep some of these. This is another split sponge. I better keep some of these in case they need them back. Make sure insurance covered this because 3 cases of a split sponges. No wonder it felt odd. All right, let me see what's in here. This is a big and heavy box. I'm hoping it's more of his feed. Two of these. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. So this says Nourish Organic Whole Foods Meal Replacement, and there is 24 pouches in there. Yay. So I got 2 24 pouches, which is perfect because right now I'm using 1 pouch every 4 ounces. And we're trying to increase that so that I need to decrease my amount of goat's milk and put it over to just Nourish, so I won't be worried about not having enough. So I feel really blessed by that. So that's 2 of these. These are heavy. Yeah, these are 18 pounds each, so it's like 50 pounds. It's like a 50-pound box. Okay. All right, let's look at this last box. They're taking those out the other way, so I have a little more room. Dual cal, thankful because we're getting to the bottom of our dual cal. that's that. Put that there. Okay, in here, this is kind of funny too.
Is there more to be carried over?
I don't even know. I'm like swimming in split sponges. I'm not entirely sure. So normally we'd go through 2 of these a month, and that would be like about what we went through in a month, because it's 35 here. So 30 days in a month, and then we'd go 2 a day. That would take us through a month. So I don't know why we have so many. But we're going to keep them to the side in case they request for them to come back. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Mickey extensions. So these ones here, like this. It's so weird because I get like such an overabundance of some things, not these, of some things sometimes. And then the other things, it's like, are you kidding me? Like, we use those so much. I'll show you my entire load of syringes. Hold on. This is a button. So this is if and when I need to replace this, I get 1 of these every 3 months because I need to replace this actual button once a month. He's waking up. So we keep this. You should always have 1 that you're going to change and then 1 for a backup. At least. Okay. Another Nourish. Yay. Okay, let's look at this other stuff. I got another dual cal. Yay, that will be good. And then we got 2 of these tapes. So I definitely like, that's where I'm saying like you could use, I mean, I'll definitely go through 2 of these tapes. I'm thankful one of you viewers actually sent me Mepalex tape, and a lot of times I use that, and then I use this right here in case the tube gets bent. This is stiffer tape, so I'll wrap this around the tube where it gets bent to make it so it's stronger. So I make my tubes last longer. And then we have grip locks here. This holds his G-tube to his tum-tum. Now, this is where it's so funny. Okay, guys, we have 4 20 ml syringes. This is for the month. We have 4 1 ml syringes. We have 4 5 ml syringes. And 0 3 ml syringes. I go through, so every day in a 24-hour period, he goes through the smallest syringe. He would go through the 1 ml syringe. He would go through 3 in 24 hours. So then I wash them, but they only last maybe 5 days. So then after that, I have to make sure that I stock. So I'll buy a case of syringes, and then I buy a case of 3 ml syringes because that's the other thing that he usually gets. I don't know. They usually send me some 3 mls. Here they just have some 5 mls. They pretty much send whatever with syringes anyway. The bigger syringes like these. So I would need, just to give him like 1 feed, if I was to bolus feed him, I would give him 2.5 of these syringes. Yeah, so it's just very interesting. Anyway, I do feel very grateful for the supplies that I do receive from the insurance company. Like I've mentioned before, I have 2 insurance companies. So my husband has Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Anthem, and then our backup, totally forgot what I was saying. Anyway, I'm thankful. So we have Blue Cross Blue Shield, that's what I was saying. Blue Cross Blue Shield, and then we have Main Care for backup. Now, as incomes increase, there is something, called, and I just got an email about it, so I don't know if like our income is like almost at that level. I'm not entirely sure with that, but there's something called, or if they were just giving me information on that. There's a program called Katie Beckett, so it's Medicaid, but it's called Katie Beckett Medicaid, so that would be our backup if main care didn't do the rest. So that's kind of how it works in our household. And anyhow, that's it. That is a load. Now we need to find a space for all this stuff. Are you hungry? Good moving your jaw. Let's get you some food.